Hello, I am Mahendra Shetty, lecturer in Chemical Engineering, Kekewak Polytechnic, Nasik. The Department of Chemical Engineering is one of the accredited department by National Board of Accreditation, New Delhi. In this session, we are going to study manufacturing of phosphoric acid as a part of the course Technology of Inorganic Chemicals from 3rd semester of Diploma in Chemical Engineering. The course outcome for this session is manufacture the inorganic acids in chemical process industries. Means at the end of this session you will be able to describe raw materials, chemical reaction, process flow sheet involved in manufacturing of phosphoric acid as well as the properties and uses of phosphoric acid. Through the unit or learning outcome like identify raw material for the manufacturing of phosphoric acid with justification, describe with sketches the process flow diagram for the manufacturing of phosphoric acid, identify the components of the chemical reaction for the phosphoric acid manufacturing with justification. In this session, we are going to study wet process or strong sulfuric acid process for manufacturing of phosphoric acid. The raw materials required in this process are phosphate rock and sulfuric acid. The chemical reaction involved in this process is 1 mole of phosphate rock reacts with 5 moles of sulfuric acid in presence of 10 mole of water to produce 5 moles of hydrated calcium sulfate, 1 mole of hydrofluoric acid, 3 moles of phosphoric acid. The hydrated calcium sulfate is nothing but a gypsum. Now we will see how this reaction is actually converted into bulk manufacturing of phosphoric acid. In this case, ground phosphate rock is fed with concentrated sulfuric acid to a reactor where reaction takes place to produce phosphoric acid. As this reaction is exothermic reaction, therefore the temperature of the reactor is controlled by circulating a cooling air. The product mixture contains hydrofluoric acid vapor and the mixture of phosphoric acid and gypsum. The hydrofluoric acid vapors are removed from the top of the reactor and scrubbed with water and removed from the product mixture, while the other gases are released to atmosphere after proper treatment. The second product containing a mixture of calcium sulfate and phosphoric acid is fed to a travelling pan filter. The travelling pan filter in this case is the rotary vacuum filter where the solid gypsum is separated from the liquid phosphoric acid. The filtrate, that is phosphoric acid, is removed and evaporated in a single effect evaporated to increase the concentration of phosphoric acid up to 50%, while the cake obtained during this filtration process is washed once again with hot water to remove the final traces of phosphoric acid, and it is recycled to a reactor, and the cake obtained is washed and used for further processes. Now we will see the physical properties of phosphoric acid. The molecular formula of phosphoric acid is H3PO4. Its molecular weight is 97.994 gram per mole. It is a white solid or a colorless viscous liquid above 42 degrees Celsius. Boiling point is 158 degrees Celsius, and at 158 degrees Celsius phosphoric acid decomposes. The melting point is 42.35 degrees Celsius. Its density is 1.885 gram per ml in case of liquid. It is soluble in water and its viscosity is 147 centipoise for 100% concentration. Uses of phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid is used for preparation of hydrogen halide. It is used as a pH adjuster in cosmetics and skin care products. It is used as a dispersing agent in detergents and leather treatment. It is used as an additive to stabilize acidic aqueous solutions within specified pH range. It is used as a chemical oxidizing agent for activated carbon production. In this session, we have learned raw materials used for manufacturing of phosphoric acid, chemical reaction involved in manufacturing of phosphoric acid, process flow diagram and its description for manufacturing of phosphoric acid, properties and uses of phosphoric acid. Thank you.